So from testing perspective, the basic task, first of all, is testing all the things that Aspire development teams create at the Aspire site. So mainly web and mobile development for M5s. So most of that is tested manually and focusing on the new features, new functionalities that are first time tested very well using manual methods. Second, very central part of Aspire delivery in QA is the test automation. So we have several of the test automation systems, and with the test automation we take care most of our regression testing, and that allows our testers to focus mainly on the new functionalities in the manual testing, and automation takes care of the regression testing of our product. And maybe third part, very important for us, is also because many of the Aspire team have been working long time with M5, so they are very good experts in M5's product. So basically, at the time when we are creating new releases, we can assign testing tasks from almost any area of M5s to the Aspire testers, and we get great help in getting the tests done by the Aspire QA that we definitely need when, for example, creating new releases, testing a lot of things during a short time. So it's very vital for us to have those skillful testers at the Aspire QA team. First of all, maybe this is something that I should be asking from the Aspire team, since they are the best experts in the test framework that has really served us really well during the years. So first of all, the test automation covers Windows and web UI test automation that we have been developing several years already, and now very recently we also introduced mobile test automation as part of the framework. The main tools are Selenium and Test Complete that we are using on the UI test automation, and most of the test automation is directly linked with our continuous integration, which is very important, so that we get good test results from more or less every build that we create internally for our development purposes. And good reporting, good dashboards, those are really needed to communicate all the findings from test automation to, first of all, to QA and also to the development teams, the individual developers, so that they know the results whenever they are available. I would say big part of the test automation strategies at M5 is relying on Aspire test system, the test automation framework, and in many areas, I would say it would be impossible to run this level of testing, even if we would like double or triple the amount of test engineers in our QA. So test automation is really vital in not only, let's say, saving money, but also getting the speed and coverage that we need in testing the M5s. Overall, I'm very happy with the testers in Aspire QA team. As I mentioned earlier, there's many individuals in the teams that have been working several years with M5s, and they are very good experts in M5s, and not only the testing and Aspire test system, but also good experts on the M5s product. So the competencies are in general on very good level. maybe in the test automation area, I would like to highlight the, let's say, biggest surprises, positive surprises that I have had. So the test automation framework has that is being developed by the Aspire testers mostly, because they are the best experts that what are the current good things and what are the development opportunities in the test automation. So sometimes I have been surprised that some of the assignments, for example, because we made changes in our product and we need to modify the test automation accordingly, I've been surprised how fast the test automation framework can adapt to those changes, and that really proves that there's excellent competencies and forward thinking in the team concerning test automation, and you are great experts in that. One of our logos is work smarter and not harder, and I think the Aspire team is doing the same. So being proactive in developing the work and proposing improvements. It's been great cooperation, and what I heard, Aspire is among the greatest places to work in India IT sector, and we do consider Aspire as a great company to work with M-Files also in the future. So looking forward to see many of years of cooperation ahead with us, and I would not hesitate recommending Aspire in similar cooperation with other companies as well.